Yes, once more we're here. My name is Mush. I welcome you all and thank you for viewing. Yesterday, the other day I left you with some work, and this is where we're going to begin from. Activity 1, we're to look for work done by the other inclined plane. And we say work is equal to force times distance. And here, when you look at work and force, always force should be measured in newtons. And we said work should be measured in joules. Therefore, we shall get, you need to change 2 kilograms to newtons. And how do you do that? You multiply the number of kilograms to, by 10 to change that to newtons. And here when you see, we're going to get 20 newtons times 2 centimeters. And this one will give us 40 joules, meaning work that was done is equal to 40 joules. We will come to number 2. We talk of velocity ratio of an inclined plane. We said velocity ratio is equal to the distance effort moves out of the distance load moves. And when you check on the inclined plane, when you look at the distance effort has moved is 12 meters, and which means we are going to divide 12 by 6 to get the velocity ratio. As you have seen, we're going to divide 12 by 6, and the answer is 2. Meaning that velocity ratio is not having units. Because when you check, meters and meters are a dime, shall mean only with 2, and that is the velocity ratio. For today, I want us to look at something else. After looking at inclined planes, I also want us to look at this today, and this is where we're going to begin from. I've heard the term we call wages. Wages. And what is a wage? We talk of a wage. A wage is a simple machine. A wage is a simple machine with two inclined planes. With the 2 inclined what? Planes, or double inclined planes. Meaning, shall we get this side? 2 inclined planes. And they form what we call an edge. This is going to give us what we call a wedge. 2 sloping surfaces forming an edge. 2 sloping surfaces. This is one inclined plane, this is another inclined plane. And we are going to make what we call a wedge. Wedges are very many. Wedges are very many, and they have very many uses. On top of wedges, wedges are used in very many ways. We have wedges in hospitals used by surgical doctors, nurses, for injection, for operation, and very many others. So, without taking any other time, I would say that let us mention examples of wedges. Examples of wedges. Examples of wedges. After seeing the meaning of the word wedge, sloping surfaces forming an edge. 1. I know the commonest and the one you know at home there shall say an axe. When you look at an axe, it's having two sloping surfaces forming an edge. We have what we call machete. Machete, the one we call panga. You have always watched movies, they say machete kills. Machete is an English word for panga, but they have integrated panga, Swahili word, to English. We have razor blade. Razor blade. We have things like bullets, arrows, spears, mention them. As we're going to see some of these illustrations here, I want you to watch. I've mentioned a few examples there. I know you have very many after seeing this. You can add on very many. When you look here, we have given examples of wages. Examples of wages. You see one here, A. A is a bullet. A is a bullet. When you look at B, B is an arrow, a spear. When you look at C, is an arrow. When you have arrow boys and ABCD, they use such wages in fighting and killing animals in the bush when looking for food. You come to D. D is a knife, the one used for cutting vegetables, cutting meat, and many other things there. When you come to E, E is what I said, machete. What most of you call panga, machete. Pangas are used for cutting trees, for cutting grass, and bananas. They are mature when they harvest bananas, and very many other items there. I know you have very many answers, like we said. On top of doctors in hospitals, they use what we call surgical blades. They have needles, the ones that are put on syringes before injection. We have hose for digging. We have slashers, and very many other objects, as you will discover. So, for now, I have these questions, and I wish you to do them properly. I've said, name and draw other 6 examples of wages. Number 2, state 2 examples of wages commonly used by doctors. And then I can add on number 3, where I'm going to say, give any 5 uses of wages. I put here number 3. Give any 5 uses of wages. Remember, before I came here, I had talked of uses of these wages. I talked of cutting vegetables, cutting purples of fruit. At home there you have many other types of fruit you eat and use items like a knife for cutting. You like meat, so you always cut meat, you always cut chicken using a knife. I always see our fathers and mothers cutting trees, cutting poles using machete, panga. So you discover many other uses. Like I already said, give 2 examples of wages commonly used by doctors. Then you can also get their point. We'll talk of surgical blades. We'll talk of nails for tightening or for putting together timber and very many other tools. Use nails. So I want you to take time and look at other examples of wages, such that when we come and meet next time, you're able to give me your views, you're able to provide the uses of those objects, and you discover very many other uses of those items. Don't forget a razor blade for shaving. People ask me tape. So all those ones there, I want you to keep and find out the use of those objects. Without wasting any moment, I want to say, may God bless you. We'll meet next time. My name is Mosh.